France's parliament has ousted the government of Prime Minister Francois Bayrou after just 9 months, plunging France into a political crisis and leaving President Emmanuel Macron rushing to find a viable successor within the coming days.
프랑스 의회가 불과 9개월 만에 프랑스와 바이루 총리가 이끄는 정부에 불신임표를 던지면서 프랑스 전국이 혼돈에 빠진 가운데 이로 인해 이마뉴엘 마크롱 대통령은 며칠 내에 후임 총리를 서둘러 찾아야 하는 입장에 놓였습니다. Ooh, it looks like the French president is having trouble keeping a prime minister in office. Tell us more.
Yes, a little bit of political, actually a lot of political turmoil over in France, where this latest ousting of the Prime Minister Francois Bayrou, is the fourth head of government in just 2 years. So that means no one has been able to keep the job for any significant amount of time. This is a real problem, obviously, for Emmanuel Macron, who promises that there will be a new leader voted in the next coming days. But, you know, this vote by which the prime minister was voted out, of 573 lawmakers that sit in their National Assembly, 364 voted against him. So
a large majority there. And the reason all these prime ministers have not been able to keep their positions is because there's so much opposition, and the prime ministers themselves have been leading minority parties. And basically, I guess the economic situation in France is not at its best.
Yes, that is really what this comes down to.
Yeah.
At the heart, at the core of this story is the economy, right? It's basically, it comes down to money and the economy and how people feel their quality of life is. And they don't have a budget that is a working budget, basically. And also, this prime minister did a couple things that angered the population. One of them being that he tried to take away 2 public holidays. So he said... I
remember talking about that, actually.
Yes.
The people were not happy.
No, they were not. So, you know, if you have these public holidays, these red days, these bank holidays, but he said, you know, we need to work harder for our economy.
Earn more money.
So we're going to take 2 public holidays away from you. And the people said, no.
No. Or as they would say in France, no.
No.
Alright. 그래요. 그래서 지금 벌써 여러 명의 프랑스 총리가 그 자리를 유지하지 못하고 여러 반대에 부딪히면서 또다시 이번에도 물러서게 됐는데, 자, 표현을 좀 보겠습니다. This has plunged France into a political crisis.
So plunge, P-L-U-N-G-E, is a verb that means to dive, usually dive deep into something.
Yeah.
You can physically plunge into a swimming pool or the ocean. When you plunge something into a political crisis, that means it's in bad trouble.
Exactly. Diving or falling suddenly 이런 거를 다 plunging이라고 표현을 합니다. 그래서 plunging France into a political crisis는 프랑스를 정치적 위기로 몰아넣고 있는 상황을 묘사하고요. Now, Emmanuel Macron, the president, has to find a viable successor.
Yes. Viable is a word we use a lot. It's an adjective that means that something is possible or that something is likely. But an important part of it being possible is that there is sort of a high degree of success behind that word.
Okay.
So if something is viable, it feels like it's very possible that it will be successful.
How do you spell this word?
V-I-A B-L-E, and actually that root, V-I-A, comes from originally life. So if you think about it, it means, you know, something is possible. There is life to this situation, is the original root of the word.
It's useful to know the roots of words oftentimes.
Oh, yes.
자, 성공할 수 있다, 실현 가능하다, viable입니다. 자, 그러한 성공할 수 있는 후임을 빨리 찾아야 될 텐데요. 다시 한번 헤드라인 읽어보겠습니다. France's parliament has ousted the government of Prime Minister Francois Bayrou after just 9 months, plunging France into a political crisis and leaving President Emmanuel Macron rushing to find a viable successor within the coming days.